Hey guys, this new construction custom home brings us into Monroe. We figure about 4 or 5 weeks left. New construction, approximately 3,500 square feet, sits on 2.5 acres, open floor plans, lake views from every room, eating, kitchen, all have stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, family room, fireplace, first floor office, 2-car side entry garage, has a full basement with high ceilings. Well, let's just take a walk through. Oh, let's take it upstairs. Of course, any questions, just shoot me a text, give me a call. Ten rooms, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. All right, guys, I guess that wraps things up here. Have any questions? Need more info? Just shoot me a text or give me a call. So I'll figure about good 5-6 weeks. Talk to you later. Next time, have a good one.